All right, back. We were encoding a new concept, 11th dimensional in nature, using the gold, which I discovered may be quasi-dimensional. 4.5 maybe dimensional. Go ahead and grab. This is the 18th dimensional recycler, but that's not what we're doing right now. So we use that in order to fuse some copper. So now, I mean, it's not technically gold plated, but it's gold colored copper. And then we still have the hover wraps here, which we encoded, and some of the board we also encoded with the gold. Very fascinating. In there on the cores. It's shimmery, it's valuable. Anyway, so we're gonna try some tests with it. This might be part of the new hoverboard formation. Well, first let me test it without. It's gonna rub off though, but wow! I knew it was gonna be amazing. Got a time machine bows on here. We'll put that right there. Maybe it'll have some effect. Whoa! So basically now, because we still have the 7D core on the back lifter, but there's no obstacle now that can stop it. The board is able to go over just about any obstacle. Copper's coming through a little bit. Before we completely get rid of the copper, I would like to do a test. Okay, we'll have to remove, wait, what's the right wire here? We'll have to do a test with the full hover wrap. Yeah, this should work. Not as many layers as I would like to use, but right. That looks good. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, check that out. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Oh my gosh. It's freaking stunning. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we've figured out the formula here. It begs only a couple questions though. The wax cores have been almost all but entirely eliminated in favor. Wow, I'm blown away. I'm absolutely blown away. The wax cores have been removed in favor of the hover wrap, so we don't really need the wax cores anymore. I mean, there's nothing that can stop it. There's nothing that can stop it. Let's go ahead and do our double obstacle test. See what happens. I don't want to stay down. Oop. One of them is poking forward, so obviously a rudimentary version of it, but let's get that guy out of the way. Wow. Absolutely amazing, ladies and gentlemen. Full hover discovered. This is the most complete model I've ever made. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Okay, well. It's crazily amazing. I'd like to be able to try some more obstacles, but I don't know what else I can put on it. Let's make it a little weird. No problem. No problem. Let's try something, you know, let's make it a problem. Let's make it a problem. Yeah, well, that didn't work as a testing idea, but do I have my other testing apparatus here? No, I don't think I have that on me. Wow. Wow. I don't think we can get much better than that, not even as far as testing goes. We'll do one slower version of it. Absolutely incredible. Alright, that's good. That's good. Alright, I gotta move on because we got some orders. And so we have to package those for some shipping. We're going to use the Hoverboard Clear series as a template. You guys can't see the folding. Basically, I'm going to be making a couple of time machine labs. We should cut the white side first. Prime the cut. Excellent. Now let's get these cuts down. Don't know where I put that lab right now. Can't wait to upgrade the time machine. It's probably going to happen. I mean, it's going to take a little while to get some other parts. Excellent. A little crooked. Not that bad though. Again, when it comes to a time machine, it's really not about perfection. I don't know why it looks so much more crooked on here, but then here it doesn't look like it's that off. go ahead and trim him down. There we go. Not too shabby. Alright, let's make a couple more of those. Building time machines in a time machine. This is going to be a special batch. A special batch. Going to be slightly more potent than your average batch. All right. So we have how many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potential full-on time machines. I'm not going to delay it all because we have many things to do tonight. Still going to go live with the hoverheads on TikTok. Man. Hopefully I have enough to keep one for myself because I desperately need an extra time machine. This one is actually, some of these are going to Julian Perez, who you can see now featured in the 8 League. He's running the team, the Jarheads, the first military-founded team in the 8 League. Shout out to the military. So love those guys. Hard workers. And then some of these are going to another bro who bought some on the website. I always throw in a couple free ones. So they'll get the free ones. Show. Alrighty. Simple, 2 more steps. We get the hashtag time machine. Time machine. Time machine. Awesome. Awesome. 5 fresh time machines, but it's not a time machine until you fold it. That's with the tree series. The clear series is not folded. It's 2 separate parts that are taped. Fold it like we're folding space. Oh, we got to be careful. Look at that. This one got some marks on it. That'll be an extra one in there. Make sure not to push them all down too hard. But the more mistakes and errors you get in the time machine, honestly, the better. So whoever is getting these is getting the best set. Trim them up a little bit though. That one looks good, actually. This one could use a couple little trimmies. Oh, actually looks pretty good. Little frills, but okay. What's crazy is Julian can probably, because they're all so unique, he could identify if he wanted to which time machine he received from this video. But anyway, so that's the time machines. They are produced and ready to ship out. The other thing that we're shipping out is the Time Machine Paper Series watch. We need to go ahead and encode that. Really impressed with this aspect of the time machine. Really, really cool. So here's another full-on fresh one. Make sure it comes with, oh, wait a second. Okay, good. Came with the strap. I was like, did you guys jip my boy on the strap? I mean, jip me on the strap? Love that it has these, fits everything. Love that it has these gold colored screws holding it together. This open source kind of format. Let's set it up right here just so I can look at it and appreciate it. Let's actually test it in a time machine that we're going to send out. Ooh, that's crispy. That is crispy. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, we're encoding some great data. Let me see. No, I'm not going to be able to stretch it. Where's the cable? Our station has already moved slightly out of the clear series, and now it's powered. So we can easily grab the charger. Got to do a little test, make sure it turns on. Make sure the cable's working. Don't want to send out anything defective. Boom. Perfect. It's charging up. Cool. Switches colors. Watchy is the name of the watch. Vibrate motor, show accelerometer, set up Wi-Fi, update firmware, set time. I'm not gonna do that. I'll let bro set everything up. Connect to see if we can. Wondering how I get off of this screen. Let's go ahead and unplug it. Thought holding it would work. Make sure it's not. What is that? What is that mark I see on it? Make sure it's not defective. Interesting. There we go. The double press was all it took. Super sick piece. Super sick piece. 2080. It's already in the future. Alright, let's go ahead and encode this guy and let's get out of here. Alrighty, let's finalize the encoding here. We'll go ahead and grab a sliver of this, don't need the whole thing. Perfect. Perfect. The Time Machine Agency watch. It's called the Time Machine Agency, but I also call it the Time Machine Watch. Okay. Because it's a watch, but is the center of each series. Time Machine. Always gets better with iterations. And the next step, just because we want it to last a little bit longer, we've been employing our latest ubiquitous product, adding to the tape the whatchamacallit, the Sharpie, and of course the base materials, but we also use just a little bit of glue. Perfect. Perfect. Let that dry a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. We'll let bro dry, and then he's going to get packed up and ready to go. Well, thank you guys for being here for yet another Time Machine shipping order, as well as an amazing hoverboard test, which just blew my mind. But yes, we have much more to do. No stopping. You know what? I was almost about to give him a little piece of copper cable to tie this up, just to really take it all the way there. But now I'll use what it came with. Is this inside here? I don't remember. I think it was in there. Oh my gosh. Don't fall on top of it. Boom. Oh, let's not do that. Let's let it dry flat. All right. See you guys later.